Good afternoon, students. Myself Yogesh, mathematics teacher, Purnachandra Public School, and welcome back to the mathematics class. Dear students, in this last class, what we discussed? In this last class, we discussed about exponents and powers. Yes or no? Now, in this class, let us going to take one of the chapter in your syllabus, that is lines and angles. Understand? This chapter belongs to geometry. Okay, keep concentrate. It is very important. That is lines and angles. In lines and angles chapter, we need to understand some basic concepts. That is, first one is point. What is that? Point. What is the meaning of point? Point, as see, look at here, this is a point, this is a point, and this is a point. Point has no size, but it has position. What is that? Position. Point has no size but it has position. It is the one of the basic thing in geometry. What is that? Point. Understand? What is the meaning of point? Point has no size but it has position. Understand? Or location. Understand? It's after point, next concept is line. What is that? Line. What is the meaning of line? Dear student, the meaning of line is the line has no beginning and ending point. This is a line. It has no beginning and ending point because it moves in both the direction. So it has no beginning and ending point. It is also one of the basic concept in geometry. Understand? What is line? Line has no beginning point and ending point because it moves in both the direction. Understand? This is about line. Now the next concept is line segment. What is that? Line segment. What is the meaning of line segment? Line segment is a part of line. Look at here, this is a point A and this is point B. See, look at here, AB is a line segment. Here AB is a line segment. Line segment is a part of line. Understand? Line segment is a part of line having both beginning point and ending point. Line segment ಗೆ beginning point ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ending point ಇರುತ್ತೆ because it is a part of a line. Understand? Next concept is, look at here, ray. What is that? Ray. What is ray? See, ray is a having beginning point only. There is no ending point because one end is moving in infinite distance. Ray has a beginning point, there is no end point. Understand? This is about ray. Next concept is parallel lines. Look at your student, it is very important. Parallel lines are pair of lines. See, ಎಷ್ಟು lines ಇದೆ? 2 lines ಇದೆ. So parallel lines are pair of line. Then these two lines never intersect, never meet each other because these two moving in same distance between them or equal distance between them. Parallel lines are lines, they never intersect each other. Intersect ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. They moving in infinite distance in both the direction. Understand? This is about parallel lines. Next, intersecting lines. Look at here student, See, these two are intersecting line, and point O, this point, intersecting point. The two lines intersect at one common point here, that is O. The two lines intersect at common point, they are called intersecting lines. ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಗಳು ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್? ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, perpendicular lines. The two lines forming right angles means equal to 90 degree. The two lines forming right angles, they are called perpendicular lines. ಎರಡು ಲೈನು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಲೈನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ದ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ and form right angle, they are called perpendicular lines. Dear student, this is about some basic concepts in geometry. Keep concentrate, they are very important. Thank you. Have a nice day.